Good evening to everyone, and thank you for the wonderful welcome. I think that you deserve a really good chimpanzee greeting. Hello.
Bonjour.
The big problem was when I got to Gombe that, first of all, it was very difficult to find the chimpanzees. And secondly, when I did find them, they usually ran away.
Tout d'abord, quand elle est arrivée, elle ne voyait pas de chimpanzés. Et quand elle a finalement vu des chimpanzés, ils s'échappaient.
But one chimpanzee whom I called David Greybeard began to lose his fear of me. And sometimes when I approached, instead of running away, he would just sit very calmly. And then came the day when he came to my camp, and so I actually held out a banana to him.
Alors, il y avait un chimpanzé qui s'appelait David Greybeard, qui avait un peu moins peur des autres. Et au début, il s'échappait, mais puis après un peu, il restait assis à regarder. Et puis finalement, il s'est approché et a pris une banane.
And he actually helped me to get the trust of the other chimpanzees, because when we met in the forest and they saw that David Greybeard was accepting, they, instead of running away, they began to accept me as well.
Et grâce à David Greybeard, les autres chimpanzés ont commencé à lui faire confiance et s'approcher eux aussi. Et c'est grâce à lui qu'elle a réussi à rattraper tout le groupe.
And then one day, when I was walking through the forest, I saw David Greybeard through my binoculars, and he picked a piece of grass, and I saw him push it down into a termite mound very carefully and pull it slowly out with insects gripping on with their mandibles, and he ate them off.
Alors, un jour, quand qu'elle était dans la forêt, elle regardait à travers ses binocles et elle a vu David prendre un petit bâton, le mettre dans un trou de termites, retirer le bâton et puis enlever les termites du bâton.
He was using a tool.
Il utilisait un outil.
And then I saw him do something even more exciting. I saw him pick a leafy twig, and before he could use this as a tool, he had to strip off the leaves.
Et après, j'ai vu quelque chose d'encore plus intéressant. Je l'ai vu prendre une branche, enlever les feuilles pour en faire une tige.
And this was really exciting because up until now, people had thought that humans and only humans used and made tools.
Pour moi, c'était fantastique parce que jusqu'à ce jour-là, les scientifiques avaient toujours dit que seulement les êtres humains pouvaient utiliser et créer un outil.
And it was this that brought in the National Geographic Society, and they started to fund the research so I could actually stay and begin to really learn about these chimpanzees.
Et c'était cette découverte qui a permis d'avoir le soutien du National Geographic Society avec les fonds nécessaires pour que Jane puisse rester à Gombe à continuer ses études des chimpanzés.
So one day I came upon David Greybeard sitting in the forest. Put your tool away.
Un jour, je suis tombé sur David Greybeard dans la forêt. Tu peux ranger ta tige là.
And on the ground near him was
terre,
a little fruit. So I picked it up and I held it towards him on my palm.
Et un jour, il y avait un noix par
And
terre
he turned
et je
his face
lui ai
away.
donné.
He turned his face away.
Et il a tourné la tête.
I put my hand closer. He looked directly into my eyes.
J'ai rapproché la main, il m'a regardé directement dans les yeux, il a pris le doigt, a laissé tomber.
And then he very gently squeezed my fingers.
Et doucement, il a pris mes doigts.
So we communicated. He understood my communication, and I understood his. And it was a very amazing moment.
Alors on a communiqué. Il a compris, moi, et je lui ai compris, et c'était un moment de très forte émotion.
So, in fact, we became friends, and he would allow me to groom him, and sometimes he groomed me. And so David Greybeard played a very, very important role in my life, as did Louis Leakey and as did my mother.
Alors David Greybeard est devenu un élément très important dans ma vie, dans ma famille. On est devenus amis.